Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to build an awesome newsletter in Kajabi in 2025. Now this will be a step-by-step guide, and I'll make it super simple so that you can follow along easily. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. And that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get them at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and the templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. And let's dive in. So first off, newsletters are a big deal in today's digital world. When Kajabi launched its newsletter feature, I wasn't sure how it was different from regular email marketing. But as I used it more, I realized that newsletters are so much more than just sending out emails to everyone. Also, newsletters help you build a real connection with your audience. They let you share exclusive content, behind-the-scenes updates, and helpful resources that you don't post anywhere else. It's a great way to create a loyal community. Newsletters are a great way to stay connected with your audience, and they're not just about selling something. They're about creating a real connection with your subscribers. Over time, newsletters keep people interested and help boost your income by offering exclusive content that they can pay for. Plus, they feel like a friendly chat with your audience. So you can share helpful tips, strategies, and updates that makes them feel like they're part of something special. That's the magic of a Kajabi newsletter. It's a way to build trust, show what you know, and create a steady income for subscribers who genuinely value what you share. For example, think about a wellness coach who sends out a weekly newsletter. They share simple habits, exclusive recipes, and mindfulness tips. Over time, their readers become a loyal community. They look forward to every issue, and some even choose to pay for additional content. Now, this shows how newsletters can keep your audience interested while also being a way to earn money. Next, let's talk about setting up your newsletter details in Kajabi. So after you log into your account, go to the product section and click on newsletter. Then click get started. Now, this will take you to the page where you'll set up your main details for your newsletter. Now, this is where you define what your newsletter is all about. Now, at this step, choose a title that represents your newsletter clearly. The title should be catchy, easy to remember, and quickly show what value it brings. For example, if your newsletter is about growing digital businesses, you could call it Scaling Up with Jeremy. The title should offer a hint of the transformation that your audience can expect when they subscribe. After picking the title, go ahead and add a short description. This should explain the purpose of your newsletter and let readers know what kind of content they'll get. Highlight the benefits they'll enjoy by subscribing, and use simple, direct language that connects with them and makes them feel like this newsletter is exactly what they need to grow their business or reach their goals. Furthermore, a strong thumbnail image is one of the most important parts of a great newsletter. Kajabi newsletter thumbnails use the same dimensions as YouTube thumbnails. Now, Canva is a great tool for creating one because it's simple to use and it helps you design something that looks professional and matches your brand. For example, if your newsletter is about creative entrepreneurship, you could pick a colorful background that feels innovative and full of energy. Add bold text with your newsletter title and make it stand out. You can tweak the transparency, use filters, and include your logo to make the thumbnail match your branding perfectly. Now, once your design looks good, go ahead and download the thumbnail from Canva. Then you can upload it into your Kajabi newsletter setup. Now, this thumbnail works as a quick visual intro and it helps set the mood for your content. A great thumbnail can make people more likely to subscribe because it shows quality and value right away. Now, after uploading the thumbnail, hit the next button to move to the next step. After you've finished setting up your newsletter details and created a thumbnail that grabs attention, the next step is to set up pricing if you want to offer a paid option. It's a good idea to begin with a free newsletter to grow your audience first. Later, you can introduce premium content that people pay to access. Kajabi makes it simple to add a paid newsletter tier, and you can decide if it will be a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. For example, you can offer your newsletter for free at first. Now, this helps attract subscribers and shows them the value you bring. After building trust and sharing helpful content over a few issues, you can introduce a premium option. Subscribers can pay, say, $19 a month for exclusive access to special content. Now, this could include detailed guides, bonus video training, or early access to new courses. Then, you can use Kajabi to easily manage free and paid content. You get full control over what's free and what's only for paying members. Now, this way, you can slowly turn your knowledge into income. Your most loyal fans will have a chance to dive deeper into more personalized content. And once you decide if the newsletter will be free or paid, click the next button to continue. After you set the pricing and click the next button, Kajabi takes you to the detailed dashboard for your newsletter. Now, this area is packed with useful information to help you manage and grow your newsletter with ease. The first section is the overview, which shows key numbers like total subscribers, open rates, and click rates. Now, these stats tell you how many people are subscribing, opening your emails, and clicking the links in your newsletters. The next section is audience, which gives you a better look at your subscriber trends. Kajabi makes it easy to see new subscribers, people who unsubscribed, and your net subscriber growth. It's a simple way to check how your audience is doing. In the engagement section, Kajabi shares extra ways to track how well your content is doing. Now, this part shows how much your audience is interacting with what you share. You'll see numbers like open rates, click rates, and how many people saw your newsletters. Now, these stats make it easier to see if your content is grabbing attention. They also help you adjust and improve your strategy so your results keep getting better. Moving on to the health section, Kajabi gives you a clear picture of how well your newsletter is doing. It looks at things like bounce rate, complaints, and unsubscribes. A low bounce rate means that your emails are landing in inboxes, which is great. Fewer complaints and unsubscribers show that people enjoy your content and find it useful. Beneath these sections, Kajabi shows all your newsletter posts in one place, so you can see the title, creation date, and whether each post is a draft or published. It's easy to manage posts using the three-dot menu on the right. Now, this menu lets you preview, duplicate, or delete any post quickly. Plus, at the top right corner, there's a new post button for adding new content. Now, when you click it, a simple editor opens up, and you can use this to create, format, and publish posts easily. Additionally, you'll notice two key icons at the top of your dashboard. The three-dot icon opens up options for managing your newsletter settings and for sharing it. And the design option helps you customize the pages of your newsletter. In addition to setting up your newsletter details, it's a good idea to make sure that your Kajabi site theme looks great and matches your newsletter. If your website doesn't look appealing or doesn't fit your branding, it could be why your newsletter isn't doing as well as you had hoped. To update your site theme, go to the website section and click on design. And from there, you can pick a new theme, or you can tweak your current one to better fit the style and tone of your newsletter. For example, if your brand has a modern and simple style, you can choose a theme with more white space, clean lines, and bold fonts. But if your brand is colorful and lively, go for a theme with bright colors and fun layouts. On the other hand, customizing your site theme makes sure that every page looks and feels like your brand. Now, this includes everything from your main website to your newsletter hub. It helps create a smooth experience for users, and it makes your content more trustworthy. Now that you've updated your site theme, let's move on to configuring your newsletter settings. So first, click on the Products tab and then choose the Newsletter option. Now, this will take you to the newsletter page. And from here, pick the newsletter that you want to update. And once it opens, go to the top right corner and click the three dots. Next, choose the settings from the menu. Now, this will take you to the newsletter settings page, where you can change important details and make your newsletter just how you want it. At the very top of the page, you're going to see a spot to enter your newsletter title. Now, make sure the title is clear and catchy so your subscribers know exactly what to expect. Right below that, there's a space to write a description. Now, this is where you explain what your newsletter is about and why it's worth subscribing to. A good description helps you attract the right audience. And just below the description, you're going to see an option to upload a thumbnail image for your newsletter. Kajabi recommends using an image size of 1280 by 720 pixels so your newsletter looks great on all devices. Now, when you click Choose Thumbnail, you can easily pick and upload an image from your computer, which makes your newsletter look more professional and visually appealing. Additionally, there's a toggle option called Override Website Font Sizes. Now, this feature helps you make sure that your newsletter text stays easy to read on both desktop and mobile. And when you turn it on, it keeps your fonts consistent and ensures that everything is clear no matter what the default styles are on your site. Furthermore, you'll find the comment settings section. Now, this gives you tools to manage how people interact with your posts. You can turn on Enable Comments so readers can share their thoughts and join the conversation. Now, when comments are on, you can control comments for each newsletter post. There's also an option called Lock All Comments. Turning this on stops new comments from being added, but the old ones will still be visible. This is useful if you need to pause comments for a while or even longer. Next, there's a section called Monetize Premium Content that helps you make money from your newsletter. Now, in this area, you can create or pick paywalled offers to get subscribers to upgrade for exclusive content. Now, if you haven't set up a paid offer yet, Kajabi makes it easy with a Create New Offer button right in this section. When you click it, you'll be guided through creating a paid option. Now, this lets you turn engaged readers into paying customers by giving them access to exclusive, more in-depth content. At the bottom, there's an important section called SEO and social sharing. Now, this part helps your newsletter get more attention through search engines and social media. You'll find a field to add a page title. Now, this is what people will see in search engine results. It should be short and clear so it grabs attention right away. Next is the page description. Now, this is a short summary, ideally under 160 characters, that explains what readers will get from subscribing to your newsletter. Adding this helps your content rank higher on search engines, making it easier for people to find. Additionally, there's an option to upload a social sharing image. The suggested size is 1280 by 720 pixels. Now, this image makes your newsletter look visually appealing when it's shared on social media. After you finish adding details to these sections, make sure to click the Save button in the top right corner. Now, once your newsletter settings are configured, you can move on to customizing your newsletter page. To get started, click the Design icon at the top right corner. After clicking, you'll see three options: Newsletter, Newsletter Sign-Up Page, and Newsletter Post Page. Now, we'll go through each one step by step. To customize your newsletter page, go ahead and click the Newsletter option. Now, this will open a new tab where you can adjust the layout and design of the page. At the top left corner, you'll see a list of the sections on your newsletter page. Now, this makes it super easy to find and edit any specific area. At the very top, you'll usually see a header section. Now, this is where you can set up your brand's identity in a clear and professional way. You can upload your logo, adjust its size, or align it perfectly to match your style. Further down, you'll come across the main content area, and this is where subscribers will see all of your latest posts. You can tweak everything here, like titles, fonts, colors, and spacing, to make it look great and easy to read. Toward the bottom of the page, you'll see the footer section. Now, this is where you can include important links, legal information, and your contact details. You can edit it to add or remove links, adjust the layout, or include social media icons. A well-organized footer makes it simple for visitors to find important information about your business. Next, let's focus on the newsletter sign-up page. To customize it, click the design icon and this time select Newsletter Sign-Up Page. Now, this page in Kajabi works as a landing page to help you collect leads by encouraging people to subscribe to your newsletter. It's the first thing that visitors see when they come across your newsletter, so its main goal is to get them to share their email addresses and become subscribers. Now let's talk about customizing it. Kajabi makes this process simple and easy to follow. The page has different sections that you can edit, like the header, newsletter hero area, footer, exit pop-up, and two-step opt-in. The header is where your logo or navigation links go, helping keep your page consistent with your brand. Now, the newsletter hero section is right in the center of the page and is perfect for showing visitors why they should subscribe. You can change the title, description, fonts, colors, background, and even the look of the subscription button. Further down, the footer is where you can add legal notes, copyright information, or extra links. To make changes to any section, just click on it and use the left sidebar editor. You'll be able to see your changes instantly, so everything looks great and it fits your brand perfectly. Another important part of your newsletter is the newsletter post page. Now, this is where each individual newsletter post is displayed in full detail. When subscribers click on a specific newsletter post, they land on this page to read more. It's important to make this page clear and engaging so readers enjoy the content and stay interested. Customizing the post page in Kajabi is simple and flexible, so you can edit sections like the header, the body of the newsletter post, recent posts, and the newsletter hero. Each section helps improve readability, navigation, and the overall design. The header keeps your branding consistent and professional across all posts. In the body section, you can adjust text size, fonts, colors, and spacing to match your style and make it easy to read. Additionally, the recent post section encourages readers to explore more of your content by showing other posts that they might like. The newsletter hero section at the top is perfect for showcasing key branding or an introduction about your newsletter. It helps reinforce the purpose or value of your content. Now, to edit these sections, you just click on them directly or select them from the sidebar editor. Kajabi's user-friendly interface makes it easy to make changes. Now, you can preview your updates instantly to ensure that your posts always look polished and professional for your audience. And that's it for this video, guys. And just as I promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days, which means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all of the features without feeling rushed. Just click the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, so I will receive a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you're going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. Now, this is a quick program where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step, and we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. And that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you're going to get them at no charge. And the best part is that you're going to get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I just want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.